Veloci's new line of fittings called Prima might just be the best bang for your buck in the pressure washing world. So what are these quick disconnects? Well, like I said, they're a line made by Veloci here in the US. They're made out of 303 stainless steel and they're machined on a CNC machine. Generally speaking, they're much higher quality than the Chinese fittings you'll find from MTM, and they have a very satisfying feel and click to them, and theoretically they will last longer and be a little bit more reliable as well. Like I said, they're way better than the Chinese fittings from MTM, but they're not quite at the level of Mosmatic. That being said, you still get that very satisfying and reassuring click and slide when you're connecting these together. Like I said, they're a perfect middle of the road option, so we decided to replace every single advanced tier option on the website with the Prima fittings. So you'll find that in things like our portable solutions, wall mount solutions, gun and wand upgrade kits, anything like that. As long as you pick the advanced tier, will come with the Prima fittings. We also thought it was a good idea to include them a la carte on the website, so in case you have a special scenario or you just need to replace your Chinese fittings, you can do that. So we're really excited to have these in the store. They're available now on all of the packages. If you have any questions about specific packages or how to go about maybe replacing your old couplers, you can reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.